Is Amazon marketing still a successful business? Here are some strategies to help you stand out and succeed in the sea of retailers. Many company owners have been successful in launching an Amazon enterprise. Many have attempted, nevertheless, and failed. What separates a successful business on Amazon from a failed one? What steps can you take to make sure you are a success story? We'll get to that momentarily, but the solution could be easier than you think. The impact of the online shopping explosion on the lives of individuals will be examined in the following piece, along with the continued value of Amazon marketing. The rise of internet shopping. The largest online retailer in the world today, Amazon began as an online bookshop in 1994. The business model used by Amazon enables thousands of independent sellers to utilize its marketplace and shipping services to grow their enterprises. Online shopping has generally increased over time. Online purchasing has become increasingly popular because of the accessibility of powerful handsets. For better or worse, the epidemic redirected attention to e-commerce globally. All of a sudden, daily items that were usually bought at nearby stores were obtained online. What had previously been mostly limited to luxury and collectible items became the method of buying groceries, clothing, toiletries, and drinks. With many people using online retail for the first time, their eyes were opened to the sheer choice, simplicity, and safe method of shopping at their fingertips. Others recognized a business opportunity, and that's where Amazon comes into the picture. If you're thinking of opening an Amazon store, we strongly recommend you read the next section, as it's advice that will help you succeed. Getting the best out of Amazon. So, you are thinking about setting up your own Amazon store. Great. It's a good idea because the answer to the question in the title is simple. Yes, it is still profitable to sell on Amazon. But, and here's the catch, it's also possible to get it all wrong. Take a step back and think about life. From a very young age, we are educated in basics like eating, dressing, talking, hygiene, and all the other things we take for granted. Many people who were utilizing online retail for the first time had their eyes opened to the abundance of options, ease of use, and security of the process. Others saw a commercial potential, which is where Amazon enters the picture. We urge you to study the tips in the following section if you're considering starting an Amazon store, since it will help you be successful. How to maximize your use of Amazon. You're considering opening a private Amazon shop, then. Great. It's a smart idea since the simple answer to the question in the title is yes, selling on Amazon is still lucrative. The hitch is that it's also possible to get it completely incorrect. Reflect about reality while taking a few steps backward. We learn the fundamentals of life, eating, clothing, communicating, maintaining personal cleanliness, and all the other things we take for granted from an early age. Then we go to school, where we learn things like language, numbers, and social skills. Later, we may enroll in a college course in a specialized field or accept a job to learn about a certain area and go up the corporate ladder. Knowledge and education are essential for achieving achievement in life. Effectiveness in investing on Amazon also depends on education and expertise. For this reason, we suggest hiring an Amazon consultant with real-world expertise to assist with setting up your new enterprise. What a consultant from Amazon will accomplish for you so far. In a nutshell, an Amazon consultant is knowledgeable. They know how it works since they have been there and can guide you through the inevitable difficulties. Do you believe your product is fantastic and will sell? There is a lot more involved. You must understand your target market, promote your brand, and become the company that people notice and remember. Speak with a consultant if you currently operate a shop on Amazon and are having trouble achieving your goals. They will examine your goods, your processes, and conduct a thorough audit of your company. They will then point out your shortcomings and provide suggestions for how to fix them. Using the help of an Amazon consultant makes a lot of sense when you take a step back and think about it. Someone with that amount of knowledge about how to utilize Amazon to its fullest potential, what consumers desire, and the challenges faced by Amazon merchants is priceless. It's how you may start out ahead of your competitors. There is money to be earned on Amazon, but diving in headfirst with the idea that your goods would instantly sell out is a prescription for failure. Speak with an Amazon consultant, let a pro walk you through the stages to success, and take full advantage of your brand new business.
Narinig mo ba?
subscribe, and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.